परमेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Our Guru name is Srimati Komali Shankar Garu.
Our institute name is Sri Saukya Natya Kala Niketan.
It is located in Biramla, Hyderabad.
First, we would like to start our words with Guru Vandana.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
Our institute started in the year of 2012. She teaches both Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Janapadam also.
In her age of 5, she started her dance journey at Srikakulam from her Guru Raghupatrani Srikant Garu and Neeraja Garu.
Now coming to achievements. Past from 20 years, she continued her dance journey. She participated Telugu Mahasabhalu at Vijayawada, Malaysia and awarded Best Natya Guru Award. In the year of 2012 and 14, she participated in Silicon Andhra Guinness Book of Records. With her students, she participated in Delhi, organized by Kala Shravanti.
She got award of national level and international level, World Book of Record, Guinness Book of Record and Ancient Book of Record.
The Arts Academy awarded Ugadi Purashkaram in the year of 2019. From Shivashakti Kuchipudi Arts Academy awarded Ugadi Purashkaram in the year of 2019.
We are so glad to tell about her awards. She achieved so many awards like in the year 2011, she achieved Natya Ravali.
In the year of 2017, she achieved Kala Ratna Guru Ratna Award.
In the year 2018, she achieved Natya Mayuri Award.
In the year of 2019, she achieved Natya Guru Bhushan, Natya Ranjani also.
In the year 2020, she achieved Natya Aradhana and Natya Pragna.
In the year of 2020, she achieved Natya Pragna Award. Now coming to institute students, she encourages us to participate in national and international dance competitions like NCN Kalakshetra season 3 to 7. She encourages us to participate in international dance competition of champion.
From our interest, so many students got Telugu Book of Records and some of the got Natya Aradhana, Natya Ranjani and Natya Ravali awards with our Guru.
Now I would like to conclude words with word of thanks to my Guru. She never, in this pandemic situation, she never stops dance journey with us.
She dedicatedly takes online classes regularly. We learned so many things how to express Bhava, Raga, Tala and Abhinayam. Thank you for this wonderful movement. Thank you, ma'am.
Om Shri Guru Namaha.
My name is Sri Veda. My Guru name is Sri Komali Shankar Garu. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
పేరు చాందని. నా గురువు గారు పేరు కోమలి శంకర్. నా గురువు గారు నాకు చాలా బాగా డాన్స్ నేర్పిస్తున్నారు. నాకు స్టెప్స్ అర్థం కాని స్టెప్స్ చాలా బాగా చెప్తున్నారు. కొత్త స్టెప్స్ కూడా అర్థమయ్యేటట్లు చెబుతున్నారు. కాబట్టి నాకు మా గురువు గారు అంటే ఇష్టం. మా గురువు గారు ఆన్లైన్ బాగా చెప్తున్నారు. ఆఫ్లైన్ పెడితే ఇంకా బాగా చెప్తున్నారు.
Namaste all. My name is Yashika. My guru name is Komali Shankar Garu. My institute name is Sri Saukya Nritya Kala Niketan. Today I am going to speak few words about my guru. My guru is a highly talented guru. We are very lucky to have this guru. She encourages us and she is very supportive guru. I am learning since 3 years. Now let's go to online and offline classes. Online is better but not more than offline, because we can spend more time with guru and all other students, and my guru can also teach very well than online. And how many programs we did, let's talk about this. And we did so many programs in online, but offline is less than online because due to this COVID situations. In online, one of the main one is NCN Kalakshetra. We have 7 seasons, 1 to 7 seasons, but we did 3 to 7 seasons. And in live we went to Vijayawada. In Vijayawada, Kanakadurga temple and some common temples in Veeranguda. Now my guru have 3 branches. One is in Chandanagar, which is located near her house. One is in Veeranguda in Baba temple. Another one is also Veeranguda in Venkateswara Swami temple in Trinit Pranav Hills.
Namaste all. My name is Satvika. My guru name is Sri Komali Shankar Garu. My institute name is Sri Saukya Nritya Kala Niketan. And now I want to talk few words about my teacher. My teacher is so talented and she is so friendly with us. And she has rewarded 50 to 70 awards in dance from the younger age, or she is learning the dance. And now I want to talk about online and offline classes. Online classes are also good. In online classes, if I don't understand a step or a theory class, she will repeat it again and again so many times. And offline classes are also good, but not like online classes, because in offline classes we can meet our teacher and our friends. And I am learning dance from 3 years. And in online classes, in like online dance performance or competitions, and I did 15 to 20 programs. And offline I did 5 to 6 programs. In one of the best program in offline was Vijayawada Durgamma temple. Thank you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next 1, 2, 3 step. People first step. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Deep tie. Body movement. Deep tie. Okay. First left, right side. One round period. Okay. 1, 2. can sing, Amulya. Burning. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Tayyam, tat, tat. 1, 2, China. Only neck ఒకటే move అవ్వాలి.
Namaste all. My name is Amulya. I am from Hyderabad. I am going to perform the Bharatanatyam song on Saraswati Stuti. My guru name is G. Komali Shankar Garu. Thank you.
Money Thank you.